got murdered in that place.
No.
Really? Somebody didn't get murdered in that place? I've always heard that. Oh, the murderer hid out there. That's different. Well, there's some local lore for you. Guess there was a murder and the murderer hid out in that cabin. He's probably peeking out at us. It does look like there's a wood burner in there. Good coffee.
I always try to remember and never do. I know once you get the bridge, it's right around the corner there. I think that is on that side. Like 39 or something like that. Huh. Well, when they first started advertising it, or when I first seen it, they weren't advertising it, but I first seen it. They said you parked on the highway by the bridge and walked it up the river. And the next time I came in, it was like no parking, but no access there.
Nothing better than enjoying a big cup of hot coffee on the kayak.
What do you got? Wood jet? I do.
Although, it's pretty warm out. I would not have minded had that been an iced coffee versus a hot coffee. What happened?
Kelly, pull her stick off me.
Where's it at?
It's in my armpit I can't get to. Well, I can get to it, but I can't see to get to it. My third chin's in the way.
Your third chin's in the way. All right, well, come here. We'll do some on-water rescue.
That's right.
Makes for good content.
Got a special tool.
Makes good content for my channel. Incoming, ramming speed. I'm picking a tick out of your husband's armpit. All right.
Save it for you?
Oh, you even brought tweezers.
Yeah.
You are a man ready for the woods. Ooh, that's pretty red. That one's been there a minute. Let's spin you into the light a little. There we go. Now armpit up. Oof. Oof. Oof.
Don't fucking around. Get that son of
Got
a
him.
Kelly.
There you go.
Where's he at?
He's in the tip. I kept it squeezed till I needed it back.
Look at him.
No, I don't want to. That's gross. But you're welcome.
Thank you.
Clearly falls under other duties as assigned on the kayak trip.
Nurse Kelly to the rescue. Hey,
Nurse Hatchet face. Where's that little tributary lead to, Jason?
I'm not sure. I think, isn't that the one that you and Dave paddled up in? He was out in front of us and paddled up in there and hid from us?
It was trying to scare you and we were loud and didn't scare you guys at all. Yeah, I think that's the one. Hey, how'd Shannon and Beth get so far ahead of us? Oh wait, I had to stop to do some ticker. No, that was it. Luckily, your armpit ain't as hairy as my husband's. I have to dig through with a fine-tooth comb to find anything in his gorilla pit. Sorry, Dave. I know you're not here to defend yourself because you're not feeling well today, but the truth is you're a hairy man, except on the top of your head. But hey, that's just a solar panel for a sex machine.
Kelly,
What?
you want crawling on my nut?
You are clearly on your own, or get your wife.
Kelly.
I'm calling HR. Oh wait, I am HR.
Included but not limited to.
Yeah, nope. That's outside the scope of my experience, talent, skill pool, skill set, desired position. Wait, that didn't sound right either. You're on your own for that, Tick, my friend. Bruh, didn't know I could paddle that fast till he said that. Woo! I'm going back with the girls into the safe zone.
I was only 1.5 meters up there.
Man, what a beautiful day on the river. Can't believe how warm it is. And next week it's going to be crappy 50s again and 30s at night. That's okay. Eventually, real spring and real summer will get here. And then we'll all be complaining because it's hot. I won't be complaining because I hardly ever complain if it's hot. I just saw a giant SNAKE. I'm going to just pretend that I didn't keep him going. He was up on the bank and I'm in the water. As long as he stays there, we're all good. I'm going to put some space between us just in case he decides to take a swim. Didn't know KJ could paddle that fast till you see her see a snake. And then I'm Olympic speed. Oh, y'all found some shade. Mm-hmm. Yes. Yes, it's pretty. Okay, clearly the bees or whatever these that keep dive bombing me must like my hairspray or my shampoo or my conditioner or something. Or maybe it's that honey scented lotion I'm wearing. That could be it. There's low-hanging crap. Don't run into the cobwebs.
I brought some. I guess it's got some SPF.
Cool.
My sister was telling me the lotion because of that coconut.
It's probably aluminum dioxide, which is like a mineral. No, not aluminum dioxide. It's whatever Desitin is made out of. The word escapes me right now. But it's a safe, natural mineral sunscreen as long as you're not allergic to that mineral. We're cooking. It's hot out here.
Oh, phew.
Sorry, TMI again.
Some deodorant on this morning. I didn't do that.
Well, you can always dunk in the river if you need to freshen up. It's better. You can't smell any worse than the catfish.
I texted you, Dave. I said we just passed Aprons. We're almost halfway.
Yeah, we're making fast time today.
Doing good time.
Glad we didn't pay for this. I'd have felt cheated.
I didn't get a response. So maybe he's napping.
He might be. He wasn't feeling good. I think he might just be exhausted because he's been putting in really, really long days
Well, we're doing it.
without taking any breaks, even on the weekends.
We're making really good time.
He works way too hard. He's worked way too hard for way too long. But we are on the downhill slide to retirement and being able to spend a lot more time in our RV. We're not going to be full-timers ever. We're always going to have a home base. But we're going to be most of the timers at some point. Soon-ish.
Geese, whatever.
I plan on doing a lot of hiking and kayaking and whitewater rafting and parasailing. And I want to try one of those jetpack things in the ocean. I don't know what that's called, but I want to try that too. Before I'm too old, and I'll definitely break a hip. And I want to be able to just stop and slow down and relax. Not be in a hurry. We spend 99% of our days in a hurry. Rushing from one work task or home task to the next. Not taking enough time to stop and appreciate the now. Before you know it, years have passed, your body starts to break down, and you're old before you know it. So for all you young listeners out there, cherish your days. Put your priorities straight. Friends, family, and your health. Daggone it, there's a big ass snake up there. I just saw it go across. I'm gonna slow down and wait for everybody else. Not that anybody else can save me from the snake, but I ain't gonna be the first one over there to say hello to it. S-N-A-K-E, Beth. I'm paddling against the current just so I don't have to be the only one.
I'm gonna try to stay on this side for the geese.
There's a lot of geese over there. I don't know where that S-N-A-K-E went, but I'm just not going to look that direction. I'm going to pretend I didn't see it. I like the geese, though. The geese are pretty. That's what we're going to look at. We're going to look at the goosies. Hello, Mother Goose.
They start gawking.
They're going to come at me, but I'm used to it. They hang out in our work parking lot. I've learned how to defend myself.
I got both of those jugs full of water.
Cool. From the Brinkley? That's cool. Stockpile that up there, and then we don't have to keep bringing drinking water or coffee water out here.